Swanshi is going to say Maharaj Ji's Upadhi which he got from the Kashi Tilpat Parishad.
श्रीमद् पदवाक्य ब्रह्मांड पारावारीन वेदमान प्रतिष्ठापनाचार्य निखिल दर्शन समन्याचार्य सनातन वैदिक धर्म प्रतिष्ठापन सत्संप्रदाय परमाचार्य भक्ति योग रसवतार भगवतानंद श्री विभूषित जगत गुरु 1008 स्वामी श्री बालाजी महाराज।
Lot of stalls to eat from, lot of games to play, the roller coaster, somebody selling balloons. So the girl was enjoying, she was holding her mother's hand. Mommy, I want a lollipop. Mother would say, here my child. She would get, Mommy, I want to go on the roller coaster. She would again go. So the child was enjoying that fair. And then in all the crowd, she lost her mother's hand. Now, some people came in between and the mother was there. She was here. She didn't know in that crowd, where has my mother gone? The mother is there, but she doesn't know where's the mother. So the same fair now becomes very scary for her. I am feeling frightened. There are all these games to play. But that child is scared. Why is the child frightened? That's right. Moment she finds a mother and holds the hand, all her fear will go away. Likewise, our eternal Father and Mother who is God, we have left His hand. That is why we feel scared. Now, if you hold that hand again, all fear will disappear. You will become fearless. So, I am very happy that all of you are coming here to attend these classes. And what you learn out here will help you build your character and your personality. Take a look at a little seed. From that little seed, one day a big tree grows. You see these big trees? They were also little seeds one day. But they were taken good care of, the earth, water, and then they became bigger and bigger and bigger. Likewise, you are all little children today. But if you nicely take care of yourself, then one day you will also become very competent. You will become engineers, doctors, accountants, and great devotees of the Lord. So the idea of these classes is to help you grow your personality. Have you ever seen a tree that is so small? You take a look at the Japanese bonsai trees. Has anybody seen Japanese bonsai trees? No? What they do is, they grow the tree in a little pot. The banyan tree, the pine tree, they grow it in a little pot. So the tree doesn't have any place for its roots. The roots remain small and the tree also remains small. So if you want the tree to grow big, the roots have to go deep. Likewise, what you are learning in these Bal Mukund classes is growing your roots nice and deep. And the deeper they grow, the better values you have, the stronger and bigger you will grow in life. So, I am very happy that the parents are bringing these children here. Like to congratulate all the parents for taking the time out and the energy to invest in the personality of these little ones.
My question is, how are we like alive? How can we learn things? How can we see? How can we talk? And how can we hear? And like, how do we grow?
That is, we've got a lot of philosophers sitting out here. It's like people say, what is time? So your question is deeply philosophic. Even grown-ups don't think of this and you're already thinking of it. See? Okay, I'm going to try and answer your question. We are the soul, you have understood, right? So God has endowed us with the machinery. The machinery includes this body, and the body is fitted with 5 senses, and there is also the mind that can think, and the intellect that can analyze. So all this machinery is at our disposal. With the help of this machinery, the soul, we sitting inside, are able to see, touch, hear, think. And our brain has the capacity to pick up things, and that is how learning happens. So you can expose yourself to new knowledge that resides in your intellect now, and learning happens.